Install lock body first. Install screws. Install cylinder. Make sure the head of key hold toward outside of door. Set right or left direction of exterior lever handle. Set right or left direction of interior lever handle. If the exterior lever faces left, rotate the middle part clockwise to the bottom. If the exterior lever faces right, rotate the middle part counterclockwise to the bottom. Insert spring into square hole of interior part. Install screw column. Install spindle. Install exterior part. Connect wire. Install interior part. Install the screws. Install 4 PCS AA batteries. Install successful. Pull up the switch, locks can be unlocked from exterior and interior. Pull up to double lock. Press to unlock.
For your safety, please add an administrator first. Please enter the administrator password. Administrator password again. Operation success. Press 1. Fingerprints user management. Press 2. Password user management. Press 3. Card user management. Press 4. System settings. Press the asterisk key. Exit menu. Press 1. Add administrator fingerprints. Press 2. Add user. Please place your fingers. Please place your fingers again. 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 Operation success. Press 1. Fingerprints user management. Press 2. Password user management. Press 1. Add administrator password. Press 2. Add user password. Please enter the administrator password. Administrator password again. Operation success. Press 1. Add administrator password. Press 1. Fingerprints user management. Press 2. Password user management. Press 3. Card user management. Press 1. Add card user. Press 2. Delete all card user. Please swipe your card. Operation success. Press 1. Add card user. Press 2. Delete all card user. Press 1. Fingerprints user management. Press 2. Password user management. Press 3. Card user management. Press 4. System settings. Press the asterisk key. Exit. Press 1. Language setting. Press 2. Voice setting. Press 3. Normally open mode setting. Press 4. Unlocking mode setting. Press 5. Anti-skid alarm setting. Press 6. Resume factory. Press the asterisk. Press the pound key. Confirm. Resume factory. Resume factory. Resume factory. Success.